If you don't think just $25 a week can really grow into $5,000 a month in dividends, keep watching. Imagine turning the cost of a weekly coffee run into a paycheck bigger than some full-time jobs. Over time, $25 a week can snowball into $5,000 every month in passive income with the right strategy. Here's the part most people miss. Small money isn't powerless, it's fuel. $25 might sound like nothing, just a couple of fast food meals or a streaming subscription. But when you feed that amount consistently into the right system, it grows like a seed turning into a forest. Over time, each dollar multiplies and spins off dividends, and those dividends get reinvested and keep producing more. That's the snowball effect of dividend reinvestment and compounding. The real goal isn't just saving pocket change, it's building a machine that pays you back forever. And the target is clear, not just a few extra bucks, but a steady $5,000 every single month. That's the kind of money that replaces paychecks and changes lives. Here's where the story flips. Because just saving $25 a week won't do much. You'll have a piggy bank, not a paycheck. The difference is strategy. Without direction, that $25 fades into forgotten purchases. With a focused plan, specifically dividend reinvestment or DRIP, that same $25 becomes an engine of wealth. Your dividend reinvestment plan takes every dollar and every dividend you earn and pushes it right back into buying more shares, which then generate more dividends. It's like building a machine that powers itself quietly in the background. That's why strategy matters. It's the bridge between pocket change and real income. Without it, the dream fizzles. With it, you're suddenly on the path to $5,000 a month. Picture planting a tree. It grows fruit, and instead of eating it, you plant the seeds again. Soon, you don't just have one tree, you've got an orchard. That's DRIP in action. No timing the market, no guessing games. It's automatic, steady, and ruthless in its efficiency. Over the years, this quiet cycle builds unstoppable momentum. That's why DRIP is the engine behind turning $25 a week into $5,000 a month. Let's break it down with real numbers. Say you start with 100 shares of a stock priced at $20. That's $2,000 invested. The company pays $1 per share in annual dividends, so you earn $100. Instead of cashing out, DRIP automatically reinvests that $100 into 5 more shares. Now you own 105 shares. The next year, those 105 shares pay $105 in dividends. That buys you even more shares. Each cycle grows your ownership without you lifting a finger. This is DRIP compounding in action. The real beauty of DRIP comes down to 3 unbeatable benefits. First, compound growth. What Warren Buffett calls the 8th wonder of the world. Your dividends constantly feed themselves, creating growth on top of growth. Second, dollar cost averaging. Since DRIP buys shares automatically, you collect them in both good times and bad, smoothing out market swings. That means you're not stuck guessing the perfect moment to invest. And third, automation. Once you set it up, the process runs without you. No stress, no fees in most cases, and no constant monitoring. It's like putting your investments on autopilot while they quietly build your future. These 3 pillars are why DRIP is one of the smartest wealth-building tools ever created. Now, here's the turbo button. DRIP on its own is powerful, but when you add steady fuel, it explodes. Toss in just $25 a week, and suddenly every contribution is planting new seeds. Each share you buy starts paying its own dividends, which then get reinvested too. That means you're not just waiting on the snowball to grow, you're pushing it downhill faster every single week, and $25 is light. That's less than a casual night out or skipping 2 takeout meals. It doesn't crush your budget, but it transforms your future. The combo of DRIP plus weekly contributions creates a compounding effect that builds momentum much faster than reinvesting alone. So where do you put that initial $2,000 or the $25 weekly? The answer is balance. You should consider 4 categories of dividend stocks. First, blue chip dividend stocks. The heavyweights like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. They're reliable, steady, and built to last. Second, dividend aristocrats. Companies that have increased dividend payouts for 25 years straight. Think Walmart, PepsiCo, McDonald's, and P&G again. Third, high-yield dividend stocks. Names like Realty Income, Verizon, or LyondellBasell. These pay bigger checks today but come with more risk, so they spice up the portfolio. And finally, dividend growth stocks: Microsoft, Apple, and Visa. They don't pay the most now, but their dividend payouts keep climbing each year while the stock value grows. Mixing all four categories gives you income now and growth later. The perfect balance. So how does this look in real life? Let's take a look at what one of those portfolios might actually deliver. Most dividend payers hand you yields in the 2 to 3% range. That might sound tiny, but pair it with steady dividend growth of 7 to 15% a year, and suddenly it snowballs. Add in share price appreciation, companies like Microsoft or Home Depot regularly climb over time, and the math gets powerful fast. Think of it this way: you're getting paid today while your paycheck keeps growing for tomorrow. The real trick is averaging the mix. Blue chips and aristocrats give you safety, high yielders give you current income, and growth names give you appreciation. Blend them smartly and you're sitting on a portfolio that doesn't just hold value, it multiplies it year after year. Here's where the math starts flexing. In year one, you've invested around $3,300. That's your $2,000 initial investment and your $25 per month contribution. But with dividends and growth, your portfolio already edges up to about $3,460, spitting out $90 or so in annual dividends. Fast forward a decade, you've put in roughly $16,000, yet it grows to almost $26,000 with around $1,400 in annual dividends. 30 years. That roughly $42,000 you invested could balloon to around $180,000 with over $45,000 in annual dividends. And this is starting with a 2.5% yield and assuming 8% annual yield growth and 8% annual stock appreciation. Optimistic scenarios could earn you more. Under this scenario, your dream number, $60,000 in annual dividends, arrives around year 34. That's paycheck-level passive income built from coffee money and consistency. Here's the crazy part: most of that wealth doesn't come from your wallet. Over decades, slightly more than 20% is your direct contribution. The rest is your money working for you. Around 36% comes from market appreciation, the natural rise of strong companies, and over 40% comes from reinvested dividends quietly multiplying in the background. Think about that. You don't lift a finger, yet those reinvested payouts become an army building your fortune. The truth is, the longer you stay invested, the less you're doing and the more your money is grinding away. That's the mindset shift. You're not working for money anymore. Your money is working for you. Now let's talk about safety nets. The key isn't betting everything on one stock, it's spreading across multiple sectors. Tech stocks like Microsoft give growth, healthcare giants like Johnson & Johnson bring stability, consumer staples like P&G keep paying in every economy, and financials or real estate add balance. ETFs are another weapon. They pack dozens of dividend-paying companies into one share, giving you built-in diversification. Then you've got REITs, real estate investment trusts, which focus on property income and often deliver higher payouts. Mix in these layers and you protect yourself from downturns while keeping the cash flow rolling. Diversification doesn't just reduce risk. It keeps the portfolio humming no matter what the market throws at you. Once the foundation is set, there are ways to kick it into overdrive. First, increase contributions whenever you can. Even an extra $10 a week compounds massively over decades. Second, buy more during downturns. When markets drop, it's like stocks are on clearance. Strong companies don't vanish, they just go on sale. Third, rebalance your portfolio. If one stock stops delivering, swap it for a proven dividend grower. And finally, use tax-advantaged accounts like a Roth IRA. Dividends and growth compounding tax-free? That's rocket fuel. These small tweaks don't just speed up the journey, they shorten the road to $5,000 a month. Here's the truth most people need to hear. This isn't some overnight jackpot. DRIP is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a 20 to 40-year strategy built brick by brick. Every $25 feels small at first, but that's the trap. Over the decades, it transforms into something unstoppable. Think of it as planting an orchard. You don't pick fruit the first year or even the 5th. But by the 20th, it feeds you forever. The real win isn't just the money, it's the security, the freedom, and the peace of knowing you built it patiently. $25 a week today is the seed of generational wealth tomorrow. The beauty of dividend portfolios is that they don't just support you, they can outlive you. Unlike a paycheck that stops when you stop working, dividends keep rolling forever. A carefully built portfolio becomes a family asset, passing income down to your kids and even your grandkids. It's wealth that doesn't just retire with you, it keeps giving. Imagine leaving behind not just savings, but a financial machine that pays your loved ones year after year. That's the legacy DRIP builds. Income today, security tomorrow, and a gift that carries on for generations. So here's the bottom line. $25 a week isn't out of reach for anyone. With strategy, consistency, and patience, it becomes $5,000 a month. Start today, even small. Your future self will thank you for every dollar invested. Drop your thoughts below, and if you want more breakdowns on wealth building strategies like this, subscribe and like and share. See you on the next one.